My go-to smoky eye using just 3 products. For this, you would first need a cream eyeshadow in a dark brown color. Some of my recommendations are eyeshadow sticks either from Bobbi Brown in the shade Bark or from Beauty Pie in the shade Choco, which is what I'll be using in this video, or even cream eyeshadows like Danessa Myricks Color Fix Nude 11 or 12 will work for this. I'm using the Beauty Pie one in the shade Choco and applying this all over my eyelid, but staying under the natural crease of my eye. Next, I'm blending out the edges with a soft blending brush. Taking some more of the shade Choco on the brush directly and applying it into the crease. And you can build up how intense you want this to be. I'm repeating the same along my bottom lash line, making sure that I'm connecting the two at the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm taking a black kohl pencil. This is the Victoria Beckham Satin Kohl Pencil in the shade Black. And I'm going to be applying this close to my lash line and smudging it with the applicator on the other side. I'm just doing this for my top lash line. Next, I'm using the Victoria Beckham Lid Luster in the shade Mink. This is such a beautiful color. Just tapping a little bit of that on with my finger to the center of my eyelid and blending the edges with the same brush. Now you can stop here, but I decided to add the same kohl pencil to my waterline to intensify this look. And this is it. I really hope this was helpful. You can follow me for more eyeshadow tutorials.